Open your book. Page number 23. Footprints without feet. ये चैप्टर हम लोग कर रहे थे. And अभी तक हमने पढ़ा that Griffin was a scientist who was a great scientist, but he was a lawless person. उसने एक ऐसी रेयर ड्रग ढूंढ ली थी, डिस्कवर की थी, जिसको लेते ही जो ह्यूमन बॉडी है वो ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाती है, यानी कि इनविजिबल हो जाती है. It becomes transparent, but still it is solid like glass. And he was not a good human being. जो इलीगल काम करता है, लॉज एंड रूल्स को फॉलो नहीं करता है, तो सबसे पहले उसने अपने लैंडलॉर्ड के घर को जला दिया, क्योंकि वो उसको बाहर निकलना चाहता था. एंड देन he had to wander without clothes in the chill winters of London. लंदन की ठंड में अब वो उसके पास कपड़े भी नहीं थे. देन ही वेंट टू अ स्टोर, वहां से उसने कपड़े लिए और वो खा पी करके वहीं सो गया. तो वो पकड़ा गया एंड फाइनली उसको फिर से कपड़े हटाने पड़े इनविजिबल होने के लिए. देन एक थिएट्रिकल कंपनी का जो स्टॉक था, वहां से उसने अपने लिए कुछ सामान लिए, ताकि वो अपने जो फोरहेड पर उसने बैंडेजेस बांधी, डार्क ग्लासेस, फॉल्स नोज, mustaches, everything he took from there. And then he went to Iping, a small village, ताकि वहां पर उसको कोई पहचान नहीं सके और वो पकड़ा नहीं जाए. He stayed there in an inn. मिसेस हॉल वहां की लैंडलेडी थी. और वहां पर भी जब उसका पैसे उसके खत्म हो गए, तो एक क्लर्जीमैन के घर में उसने चोरी की और मिसेस हॉल के फर्नीचर को इनविजिबल होकर के उसी पर अटैक किया फर्नीचर से. तो पहले ऐसा समझा गया कि उसमें कोई जो ब्लैक मैजिक है उसकी वजह से, विच क्राफ्ट की वजह से, या जो स्पिरिट्स है उसकी वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है. लेकिन जब क्लर्जीमैन के घर की चोरी के बारे में पता चला, तो फिर पूरा शक उस साइंटिस्ट पर गया कि कहीं ना कहीं इन सब में इसका हाथ है. एंड फाइनली दे सेंट फॉर अ कांस्टेबल. कांस्टेबल को बुला लिया और कांस्टेबल के आने से पहले मिसेस हॉल साइंटिस्ट के पास सीधे गई. शी वांटेड टू आस्क अबाउट द मिस्ट्री, कि वो एक खाली रूम से कैसे निकल करके बाहर आया. इससे आगे हम अभी पढ़ेंगे. पेज नंबर 23, रिजोल्यूशन. I want to know what you have been doing to my chair upstairs, she demanded. And I want to know how it is that you came out of an empty room and how you entered a locked room. और उसने उससे सीधे सीधे पूछा कि क्या किया है तुमने मेरे फर्नीचर के साथ, और ये भी मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि तुम एम्प्टी रूम, यानी जिस रूम को हमने देखा था जो बिल्कुल खाली था, वहां से तुम बाहर कैसे निकले और तुम बंद रूम के अंदर कैसे गए. The scientist was always quick-tempered. Now he became furious. You don't understand who or what I am, he shouted. Very well, I'll show you. तो साइंटिस्ट वैसे ही बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाता था. टेम्पर्ड मीन्स जो जल्दी ही गुस्सा हो जाता है. एंड नाउ ही बिकेम फ्यूरियस, यानी कि बहुत ज्यादा गुस्से में वो आ गया और उसने कहा, तुम नहीं जानती हो मैं कौन हूँ, अभी मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ. Suddenly he threw off bandages, whiskers, spectacles, and even nose. It took him only a minute to do this. The horrified people in the bar found themselves staring at a headless man. और जल्दी ही उस चेहरे को ढकने के लिए जो कुछ उसने लगा रखा था, बैंडेजेस, विस्कर्स, स्पेक्टिकल्स, नोज, ये सब उसने हटा करके फेंक दिए. तो जो हेड था अब वो ट्रांसपेरेंट हो गया. और बाकी बॉडी पर उसने कपड़े पहने हुए थे, तो लोग बहुत ज्यादा डर गए। अब उनके सामने एक बिना सिर वाला आदमी खड़ा हुआ था। मिस्टर जेफर्स, द कांस्टेबल, नाउ अराइव्ड and was quite surprised to find that he had to arrest a man without a head. But Zephyrus was not easily prevented from doing his duty. If a magistrate's warrant ordered a person's arrest, then that person had to be arrested with or without his head. उसी वक्त मिस्टर जेफर्स जो कांस्टेबल था वो वहां आया, और वो भी ये देख करके हैरान रह गया कि उसको एक ऐसे आदमी को अरेस्ट करना है जिसका हेड नहीं है, हु इज विदाउट हेड। लेकिन जेफर्स जो था वो एक ऑनेस्ट पर्सन था, ही वॉज डिवोटेड टुवर्ड्स हिज ड्यूटी, तो कोई भी उसको उसकी ड्यूटी करने से नहीं रोक सकता था। अगर उसको किसी पर्सन को अरेस्ट करना है तो दैट मीन्स ही हैज टू अरेस्ट हिम, उसको उसे अरेस्ट करना ही है, चाहे उसमें उसका हेड हो या नहीं हो। There followed a remarkable scene as the policeman tried to get hold of a man who was becoming more and more invisible as he threw off one garment after another. और वहां पर एक बहुत ही अजीब सा सीन क्रिएट हो गया। लोग देख करके डर भी रहे थे, हैरान भी हो रहे थे। पुलिसमैन उस आदमी को पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था जो धीरे धीरे और ज्यादा इनविजिबल होता जा रहा था, क्योंकि जो बाकी के क्लोथ्स थे वो उसको उनको रिमूव करता जा रहा था, और जहां से रिमूव कर रहा था तो वो बॉडी का पार्ट इनविजिबल होता जा रहा था। फाइनली a shirt flew into the air and the constable found himself struggling with someone he could not see at all. और फिर उसने देखा कि एक जो शर्ट बची थी वो भी उसने उतारी, और अब बिल्कुल वो टोटली इनविजिबल हो गया था, और कांस्टेबल को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि किसको पकड़े, कोई भी उसको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था। Some people tried to help him but found themselves hit by blows that seemed to come from nowhere. कुछ लोगों ने उसकी मदद करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन उनको मार पड़ रही थी, ब्लोज पड़ रहे थे, और वो कहां से पड़ रहे थे ये कोई नहीं जानता था। In the end, Jeffers was knocked unconscious as he made a last attempt to hold on to the unseen scientist. There were nervous, excited cries of "Hold him!" but this was easier said than done. Griffin had shaken himself free and no one knew where to lay hands on him. और एंड में जेफर्स जो था उसको उसने इतना मारा था कि वो अनकॉन्शियस हो गया। जब उसने उस अनसीन साइंटिस्ट को पकड़ने की कोशिश की, बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट विजिबल, और समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था कि किधर से उसको मारा जा रहा है, किधर से ब्लोज आ रहे हैं, और लोग चिल्ला रहे थे पकड़ो पकड़ो, लेकिन कहना आसान था और करना बहुत मुश्किल, बिकॉज एक इनविजिबल मैन को पकड़ना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है। और फाइनली ग्रिफिन ने अपने आप को फ्री कर लिया, क्योंकि कोई जानता ही नहीं था कि पकड़ना किसको है, एंड फाइनली ही escaped from there. So this was the story written by H.G. Wells. And simple story है of a scientist who carried out various experiments to make himself invisible. Finally, he succeeded and his body became transparent. He enjoyed the extraordinary things which started to happen after he became invisible, and he misused his discovery to steal money and annoy others. उसने एक बहुत अच्छी खोज की थी ट्रांसपेरेंट बनाने की बॉडी को, लेकिन एज वी हैव रेड दैट ही वाज अ लॉलेस पर्सन, तो उसने अपनी इस खोज का, इस डिस्कवरी का मिस यूज किया चोरी करने के लिए, दूसरों को परेशान करने के लिए, एंड दिस वाज नॉट गुड ऑन हिज पार्ट. नाउ लेट अस डू द वर्ड मीनिंग्स. इम्प्रिंट्स यानी जो निशान होते हैं, Bare, uncovered, नंगे पैर. Gaze, to look steadily. एकटक देखना. Descending यानी coming down, सीढ़ियां उतरना. Fascinated, charmed, enchanted, मोहित होकर के, प्रभावित होकर के, जैसे कि हिप्नोटाइज होकर के कोई चलता है. Bewildered, confused, परेशान, हैरान. Invisible, unable to be seen. Wanderer, a rambler who travels aimlessly. बिना किसी रीजन के, बिना किसी एम के, उद्देश्य के इधर उधर घूमना. पैनिक, showed sudden alarm, घबरा जाना. Shivering, trembling, कांपना. Carelessly, showing insensitive and cruel disregard. डिसरिस्पेक्ट करते हुए, अपमान करते हुए, और इनसेंसिटिव यानी क्रूएल ढंग से बिहेव करना. एक्सेंट्रिक, क्रेजी, सनकी होते हैं जो लोग. इरिटेबल, इजीली मेड एंग्री, चिड़चिड़ा होना. फ्यूरियस, एंग्री. हिस्टेरिक्स, अ वाइल्डली इमोशनल एंड एक्सेगरेटेड रिएक्शन. गुस्से से और भावुकता से बिल्कुल पागल हो जाना. Now take the correct alternative. What is the name of the invisible scientist in the story? That is Griffin. Where did Griffin decide to slip in for warmth the first time? सबसे पहले कहाँ गया था वो? Big London store. Whose money was stolen by the scientist? A clergyman. Then state whether the statements are true or false. Number 1, Griffin was not a scientist. False. Griffin was rather a lawless person. True. Mrs. Hall was the landlord's wife. True. The constable tried to arrest Griffin. True. Griffin did not shake himself free. False. Now very short answers. Why were the two boys surprised? The two boys were surprised to see the muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. They were surprised to see fresh muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. और कोई आदमी उनको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, सिर्फ पैरों के निशान दिखाई दे रहे थे. So they were surprised. How did the scientists become invisible? The scientists carried out experiment after experiment to prove that the human body could become invisible, and finally he swallowed certain rare drugs and his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass, and he became invisible. Why did Griffin set fire to the house of the first landlord? The landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. So in revenge, Griffin set fire to the house. Why did Mrs. Hall think that her guest was an eccentric person? क्यों लगा था वो सनकी? Because first of all, he was suspected that he reached Iping village and he booked 2 rooms in an inn in the odd times, odd weather, जबकि घूमने का मौसम नहीं होता है. Secondly, of his appearance, because of his appearance, अजीब सा जो उसका हुलिया था, and he gave the reason that he has come to Iping in desire of for solitude, and he do not want to be disturbed in his work. And he told them that an accident has affected his face. He was very irritable person and short tempered, jaldi hi gussa ho jata tha. So she thought that he was an eccentric scientist. What happened in the clergyman's study? In the clergyman's study, clergyman and his wife heard some noises in the study as if the money was being taken out. Money was being taken out from the desk, and when they entered the room, they could not see anybody. Nobody was there. The room was empty, and they were surprised to see that the money had been taken out from the desk, and uh, money was missing, but there wasn't a sign of anybody. रूम में कोई भी नहीं था और पैसे गायब थे. Why did Mrs. Hall fall down in hysterics? When Mrs. Hall saw that room was empty, she thought that it was a good opportunity to investigate the room of the suspicious scientist. तो जैसे ही वो अंदर गई और पीछे से शायद जो इनविजिबल था ग्रिफिन वहां आ गया, एंड देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द hat on the bedpost leaped up and dashed itself into her face. Then the bedroom chair became alive. Springing into the air, it charged straight at her legs foremost, and she and her husband turned away in terror because the extraordinary chair had pushed them both out of the room. And the door was slammed just after them. तो ये सब देख करके वो बहुत बुरी तरह से डर गई थी, and she almost fell down the stairs in hysterics, as she was convinced that the room was haunted by spirits. Why did Griffin become furious? When Griffin came to know कि उसकी जितनी भी चालें थी, प्लानिंग थी, उसके बारे में सबको पता लग गया है. When Mrs. Hall asked him, how did you enter the empty room and how did you come out of an empty room? How did he entered in a locked room and how did he come out of the empty room? So he became furious and he shouted that he will show her who he was and what could he do. Then answer in short in 30-40 words each. Why was the scientist wandering in the streets? The scientist had swallowed a drug by which he became invisible. His body became transparent as a sheet of glass. And in revenge, he had set fire to the house where he lived, his landlord's house, without thinking that his belongings were also there in the house. उसका सामान भी उसी घर में है, ये सोचे समझे बिना उसने उस घर को आग लगा दी थी. एंड फॉर बीइंग इनविजिबल होने के लिए उसको जो कपड़े थे वो उतारने पड़े. एंड दैट इज व्हाई ही बिकेम अ होमलेस वॉन्डरर without clothes, without money, and quite invisible, wandering in the streets of London. What did Griffin do in the theatrical company? वहां जाकर के उसने अपने लिए कुछ सामान देखा. सबसे पहले he found some clothes to cover his body. Then to hide his empty space above his shoulders, that is his face, he made his he went there and he took some bandages and covered his forehead, dark glasses on his eyes, false nose, big bushy side whiskers, and a large hat. And to escape without being seen, he carelessly attacked the shopkeeper from behind, after which he robbed him of all the money he could find. Why did Griffin leave London? London was a crowded place and it was difficult for him to escape every time. बार बार उसको पकड़े जाने का वहां डर था क्योंकि वहां भीड़ भाड़ बहुत ज्यादा थी. That is why he left London and took a train to the village of Iping, which was a small village, and he booked 2 rooms at the local inn. Why were the clergyman and his wife surprised? The clergyman and his wife were awakened by some noises in the study, and creeping downstairs, they heard the chink of money being taken from the clergyman's desk. Then, without making any noise and with a poker in his hand, the clergyman flung open the door, but he was amazed to see that the room was empty. And the desk was open and the money had been missing, but there was no sign of anybody. So they were very much surprised. What happened when Mr. Jeffers tried to get hold of the scientist? When Mr. Jeffers tried to get hold of the scientist, he removed the clothes one by one and became totally invisible. And now Jeffers could not see him, and he was confused whom to arrest and how could he arrest the man who was totally invisible. And he was hit by blows which he did not know from where they were coming. Detail answers. Griffin was rather a lawless person. तो उसमें आप सारे ये रीजन देंगे. He was a lawless person. सबसे पहले he was a great scientist, no doubt. He had invented and discovered a drug by which he could become, his body could become invisible, transparent as a glass, but he misused his discovery and he did all the wrong things he could do. First of all, he set fire to the house of his landlord, and then he entered the London store. There he enjoyed himself with everything he could find. He took the clothes from there, all the accessories he required, food items, sweets, wine, everything he took from there, and he went to sleep on there. Then he went to the theatrical company, जहां भी उसने चोरी की. एक शॉप में सारे सामान लिए जो उसको चाहिए थे, और then he attacked the shopkeeper and stole his money. Then in Iping, he stole the money of the clergyman and misbehaved with Mrs. Hall, and finally with the constable. So we can say that he was a lawless person. What incident took place in the village of Iping when Griffin stayed there? तो वही clergyman वाला जो incident है वो इसमें बताना है. Describe the end of the story. End of the story में जब when constable वहां आता है और वो उसको पकड़ने की, सबसे पहले वो देखता है that he had to arrest a man without a head, क्योंकि उसने अपने फेस पर से जितनी भी चीजें थी, bandages, whiskers, spectacles, nose, सब हटा दिए थे, and his face was invisible now. तो सबको यही लग रहा था that there is a man without a head. और जब जेफर्स ने उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश की, when he tried to get hold of a man who so he started removing his clothes one by one, and finally he became totally invisible. When some other people tried to help the constable in arresting that man, they also found themselves hit by blows that seemed to come from nowhere. So nobody could catch him as he was totally invisible, and he escaped from there. And the people were just helplessly shouting, "Hold him." So you have to do this C, D, and E in your notebook. Short answers, very short answers, and long answers. C, D, and E you have to do in your notebook. Is that clear? And in the next class, we'll start this next lesson, the purple jar. So do the question answers of lesson 4 and read lesson 5 and underline the hard words so that you can ask while the chapter is going on. अभी इस लेसन में कुछ पूछना है आपको?